Your spirits are here. They are your guides. For some of you, they are important guides for you, or you will receive insights from nature, Mother Nature. Also from literally like rain, snow, the sunlight, the elements, the changes in the atmosphere. Let's clarify, why is this Archangel here? Oh, it is your guide.